In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Excel not responding on a Windows 10 computer. If Excel keeps freezing or won't open, we'll walk through a quick and reliable repair using Windows settings. This process targets the Office installation itself, not your personal files, so it's safe for your documents. For best results, make sure Excel is closed before you begin. Start by opening the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, click the Settings icon to open the Windows Settings window. In Settings, choose Apps. This is where Windows lists your installed programs and lets you manage or repair them, which is exactly what we need for Office and Excel. On the left, you'll see Apps and Features. Click that if it's not already selected. Now scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Office. Depending on your setup, it may appear as Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365 apps, but it will be the entry that includes Excel as part of the suite. Click on that entry and then select Modify. If you don't see Modify right away, expand the entry or click the three dots next to it to reveal the option. You'll likely get a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. A new window will appear with repair options. Choose Quick Repair. This option is designed to fix common issues quickly, such as when Excel won't respond without affecting your personal files. It's usually faster and does not require an internet connection. After selecting Quick Repair, click Repair to start the process. Windows will now repair your Office programs and features. You may see a progress bar, and the window might take a few minutes to complete. During this time, avoid closing the repair window or opening Office apps. It's normal if the progress appears to pause briefly, just let it run. When it finishes, you'll see a confirmation that the repair is complete. At this point, open Excel and try your usual files or tasks. In most cases, Excel should now open smoothly and respond as expected. If the issue is resolved, you're all set and can get back to work. I hope this walkthrough helps you get Excel working again. If it did, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.